Do you want to learn how to use Facebook and Instagram for growing a business online? Do you want to learn how to run ads on these platforms? If yes, then this video will be very useful for you, because in this video, I'll be telling you about a free resource which is provided by Facebook itself, where you can learn everything about Facebook and Instagram marketing for free. This is the platform, guys, Facebook Blueprint. Okay, you can type this on your screen, facebookblueprint.com. As you can see here, welcome to Meta Blueprint. Explore self-paced and step-by-step tutorials that can help you build your digital marketing knowledge and bring your business online. When you will scroll down on this page, you will see there are multiple tutorials available here which teach you about very basics of Facebook marketing and also very advanced steps. As you can see here, this is one course which is about how to create a Facebook page. So it is as simple as that, or how to post on a Facebook page. So these are very basic tutorials, right? However, you can see there are advanced tutorials as well. For instance, this one which says get started with Ads Manager, which is a slightly advanced concept in Facebook marketing. We will look into these tutorials in details, but before that, let me show you what all tutorials are available. See, you have one more tutorial which is about 50 minutes duration, and it is about promote your business from your Facebook page. Again, when we scroll down, you can see tutorials like maximize performance with Advantage plus shopping campaigns, grow your audience with Advantage plus app campaigns, learn more about Instagram, right? So introduction to Instagram for business, build an online business presence with Instagram. So there are multiple courses. You can learn fundamentals and advanced concepts about using Facebook and Instagram. Even you have a course on advanced buying options, right? Automate 4 aspects of your campaign setup. There are tutorials on targeting the right audience. So there is this tutorial about boosting your marketing with Facebook Pixel. So once you do this tutorial, you will understand what is a Facebook Pixel, how to set it up, right? This one we have already seen. Then again, there is one more tutorial, which is a 30 minutes tutorial on optimize your campaign with Meta Advantage. Let's scroll down further. They also have courses on increasing online sales. So if you are a business owner or if you work for a brand, you can learn these courses to improve your sales online. There are tutorials like turn shoppers into buyers with dynamic ads. So you will learn what are dynamic ads and how to run them. Design creative to drive action. So this 15-minute tutorial will teach you about the fundamentals of good creative development, because creatives are very important for any ad campaign. There is one more tutorial on design creative to drive action, and then more formats, as you can see here. So let's look at few of the tutorials in detail. This is the first one, how to create a Facebook page. Like I said, they have very basic fundamental tutorials as well. This is just a 1-minute tutorial, but it is good enough for someone to understand how to create a Facebook page. Another tutorial is how to create an ad from your Facebook page. As you can see, this is just a 1-minute 50-second tutorial, but again, it will give any beginner a good understanding. Moving to the next tutorial, it is about how to create an ad in Ads Manager account, right? So you will learn how to get started with Ads Manager, which is a platform where you can run all your ads, Facebook, Instagram, Messenger ads in a single place. The next course is about promoting your business from your Facebook page. So as you can see here, there are multiple subsections in this course. Introduction to page promotions, boosting your posts, boosting your event if you are organizing an event, promote your business locally, get more leads, promote your page, right? So you will get a lot of in-depth knowledge about promoting your business here. And again, like I said, everything is for free. There is one more course which is about building an online presence with Instagram. Again, it has multiple subsections. Maximize performance with Advantage plus shopping campaigns. So this is a slightly advanced concept, guys. And this tutorial is somewhere around 50 minutes. So in this tutorial, you will get an introduction about Advantage plus shopping campaigns, recommendations from Facebook itself. Just imagine you are getting recommendations from Facebook itself on how to run successful campaigns, right? And conducting tests to measure campaign effectiveness. So I hope you're realizing the ocean of knowledge that is available here, and everything is for free and provided by Facebook itself. So you are learning from the best. Next course is about growing your audience with Advantage plus app campaigns. So you will get an introduction to Advantage plus app campaigns, manage the learning phase of a campaign, recommendations again for a successful campaign, right? And conducting tests to measure campaign effectiveness. Next one is boost your marketing with Facebook Pixel. So you will learn what is Facebook Pixel, how to use Pixel information to capture multiple events on your website or on your app, and using Pixel to create custom audiences. And there are multiple other courses: turn shoppers into buyers with dynamic ads, okay? Design creative, like I told you, how to design a good creative to drive action, right? So they have some very interesting ad formats in this lesson. How to create a ad which has a little bit of a motion, so it appears like a video but it is a static image. So everything you can learn in this course. How to optimize your campaign with Meta Advantage. So you will get an introduction to Meta Advantage, complete campaign solutions within Meta Advantage, and single step solutions. And one more course which is about creating for a mobile world, because in today's day and age everyone is more active on mobile compared to a desktop or a laptop, right? So how to design ads for mobile, how to capture your users attention quickly, right? How to build your creatives for a mobile environment, even how to design your creatives for sound turned off, because by default the sound is turned off when you use Instagram or Facebook, right? So how do you design your creatives even when the sound is turned off, so that it captures the user's attention. So overall there are multiple such courses. My whole intention of creating this video was that you can find tons of knowledge on this platform. And the best thing, again I am repeating, is that it is provided by Facebook itself. So you don't need to go anywhere else to learn about Facebook or Instagram marketing. You can learn from the creator of these platforms, and everything is for free. So I hope you found this video very useful. Just make full use of this platform and enhance your digital marketing knowledge. If you find this video useful, then please like the video and subscribe to my channel, because it really helps me to grow my channel. Thank you.